Welcome to the video tutorial of eZee BurrP, a desktop-based restaurant management software. In this video, we will learn about goods return. There are some instances where few items need to be returned to the vendor, for an example when the received item is expired, or the item received not as expected, etc. In those situations goods can be returned to the vendor. In eZee this operation can be managed by goods return option. To return a goods go to eZee BurrP backoffice. Select the main store. On the left hand side select the store. Transaction. Good return. New. Add the voucher number, that is the unique ID shared by vendor on the hard copy of the bill. Select the vendor. Add item which needs to be returned. Quantity. Unit. Click on plus icon to add items in the list. Add all the items one by one, with its respective quantity and unit, which needs to be returned. Once all the items have been added with its respective quantity, click on Save. Once it is saved, return request will be initiated, and the stock will be reduced from the current computer stock. This is how the user can return the goods to the vendor. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, kindly contact our 24/7 live chat support.